On a crowded subway, a frazzled commuter hits play and chaos erupts as the wrong playlist turns the ride into a surprise concert. A stranger joins in with claps and backup vocals, and soon strangers become a chorus, synchronized with the rattle of rails. The conductor samples the moment, declares it a performance, and hands out imaginary encores to the laughing crowd. When the train stops, everyone bows to the imaginary audience and exits with bigger smiles than when they boarded. Back on the platform, a kid pockets the invisible mic, and the subway becomes a legend of mundane magic.